Alaina. So for today's craft activity, I thought it would be really fun to make a wreath for your door, for your house door or your bedroom door. And all we're going to need is a bunch of toys that you don't play with anymore. So you'll need a bunch of fun toys that you can hot glue on a wreath. You'll need a wreath. I got this at the Dollar Tree. It was $1. I bet if you do a chore, your parents will get you a wreath. And you'll just need a hot glue gun. You can also use like super glue or any other type of glue that will really hold on to the wreath. I don't know if Elmer's glue will work. Try it out and let me know, but I think you need something stronger, so I would really start there first. So let's switch to the overhead view and have some fun. All right, so I've switched to the overhead view, and what we're gonna do is get our toys ready. You can see I've got all my toys ready to rock and roll. Look at this. It's just a bunch of toys I've had for a really long time just hanging out in the she shed. So I thought it'd be really fun to make a wreath. So let's push them to the side and get our wreath here. So what we're gonna do is you kind of want to start in the middle of your wreath and work your way up. So you want to pick a nice, really fun thing to put in the middle. So let's see. I'm just gonna grab a random toy. Let's start with this little guy from Monsters, Inc. I think he'll be super fun on here. Let me move this in the middle so you guys can see. Right here looks good. Okay, so we're just gonna glue on the back, bunch of glue, and then we're gonna stick them on there. Now, it's hot glue, so please be careful, okay? You're gonna kind of want to hold him in place if he needs, and then give him a little bit of extra support after you've got him to the place you want on the sides behind him. So he is now in place. Now, don't worry about the cobwebs because you can pull those off when we're done. So let's see, I've also got this really crazy car. I think that might look kind of cool next to him. So we're just gonna put glue on the back. You can see my glue gun's been heating up for a while. So it's really hot. So we're gonna put this bad boy there. Look how fun that is so far. I love it. All right, let's see. We've got this crazy little doodad doll. I don't know who she is, but she's a little cheerleader. And we're gonna stick her on the back there. See, she's gonna be holding hands kind of with Sully. Oh, see, now if they're moving because they're too heavy, kind of hold them in place, okay? See, we gotta help him out a little bit. He's not dry yet, he's not dry. These are gonna be heavy, so this is gonna require a lot of glue. Okay, there we go. Let's see if that works for him. Let's hope so. Okay, and you're gonna wanna repeat this process all the way around. So just keep grabbing fun toys and keep gluing them into place. You can also stack things too. Like I just stacked that unicorn on top of the car. 'Cause why not? All right, and there we have it. Now let it sit there and cool for a little bit, for probably 10 minutes. Then you can flip it over and glue on the back sides of the wreath so that the glue seeps in down through the wreath. And they're all secure from both sides. Then you can pull off all of the string from the hot glue and it will be fabulous. Let me do that really quick and I'll come right back and show you the finished result. All right, guys, so here it is. I hung it up on my wall, but you could definitely hang it on your door with a door hanger. I love it. It's so fun and festive, and it just brings some happiness to your day. I like the look of half of it with toys, but you can absolutely go all the way around and it'll just be so much fun. I really want to see your guys' wreaths that you made or picture frames with your toys and just be silly. I love you guys and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!